Hey guys, welcome to my baking channel. Today, we will be making Ube Coconut Macaroons. The holidays are just around the corner and I'm already planning on great homemade, budget-friendly gift ideas or pasalubong. This Filipino Ube Coconut Macaroons recipe makes a big batch and are very easy to make, so let's get baking! For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Line a mini muffin pan with mini cupcake liners. In a large mixing bowl, add in the 290 grams of desiccated coconut, 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. Give this all a quick mix. Form a well in the center of your coconut flour mixture and add in the 4 eggs, 350 grams of sugar, and 390 grams of sweetened condensed milk. Mix everything together in the center until the eggs are beaten, just like so. Add in the 250 milliliters of evaporated milk, 250 milliliters of fresh milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2.5 tablespoons of ube flavoring. Mix this until everything is well combined. Now we can add in the 200 grams of softened butter. Mix this until everything comes together and the butter has completely dissolved. This is the consistency we are looking for. Just look at that beautiful purple color. We can now finally fill our macaroon mixture into our prepared mini muffin pans. I'm using a small ice cream scoop to do so. Make sure not to overfill your mini muffin liners. Bake your ube macaroons for about 17 to 18 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. My ube macaroons are done baking. I baked mine for 18 minutes. Let these cool down completely. Just look at those beautiful ube macaroons. They've turned out perfectly. These ube macaroons are so moist and really just irresistibly delicious. I'm pretty sure that your family and friends are going to love this mini treat. You definitely gotta give this recipe a try. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Take care and see you next time. Bye!